This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Eddie Grabovac. Welcome home to this beautifully renovated, move-in ready condo situated in the sought-after Imperial Oaks community. Ideal for those seeking a low-maintenance lifestyle filled with security and convenience, this second-floor unit is perfectly positioned in a serene and private setting with stunning views of lush greenery just steps away from the building's elevator. As you step inside, you will immediately appreciate the modern laminate flooring, fresh paint, and elegant crown molding that define the open-concept floor plan. The spacious living area, ideal for both large gatherings and intimate dinners, flows seamlessly into a well-appointed kitchen equipped with newer appliances and granite countertops. The dining area, nestled between the kitchen and living room, provides the perfect space for mealtime enjoyment. Unwind in the den/office, which offers tranquil views of the beautifully landscaped grounds, or retreat to the large bedroom featuring 2 closets and an updated ensuite bath for ultimate privacy and relaxation. Additional conveniences include in-unit laundry facilities equipped with a washer and dryer. Strategically located near Ruth Eckerd Hall, grocery stores, top-notch restaurants, and excellent medical facilities such as Mease Countryside Hospital, this condo ensures that everything you need is just steps away. With easy access to Gulf beaches and Tampa International Airport, it's the ideal spot for both leisure and travel. The Condo Association offers a comprehensive package of services to ensure a worry-free lifestyle, including water, sewer, trash collection, cable, internet, and ground maintenance. Additionally, the association takes care of the roof, exterior building maintenance, and elevator, ensuring your living experience is both comfortable and carefree. Remarkably, the building is high and dry and did not flood during the most recent storms, adding an extra layer of peace of mind for residents. With no age restrictions and outstanding community amenities like a clubhouse and pool, this condo provides both style and substance. Don't miss the chance to make this incredible space your own. Schedule a private showing today and discover why this condo is more than just a place to live, it's a place to love. For more information, review the details below.